Menteri rangba kajela ukonrat ki sama hak arpo artring naiwing ulapan benaba ka Sorkar karman raksyan dak Standard Operating Procedure SOP halor kajing pyndonkam ye ki siren ban perking ye kajing ta yit yong bat pendat ye ki lait ki bapen thaba haki kali kenang bakan kata ye ki pat ba. Chief Minister ulaong ala yop diang ya shibun ki jing ujor ba ki jing so kia nakalyang ki nong shong shnong halor ka ka baki beriu ki khot ka VIP culture. Kalong da shisha ka kam ka basngo kia hendringen hapan kami benia halor ka ne na ki babon kilyang. Kadon ka jing so kia halor ka jing shan bat jinga da ya ka ba amde ban penyak le bat ka kam ka baya de ban le. Ka jing shngan bat kila jinga da ka de ka wei ka benta ka bagi sngo ka long kong san bat ka bam de ban nyapen. Henry lada kata ka jing so kia halor ka jing shngan bat jinga da ka kala long penban kum ka rongpong bat pyndonkam ha ka rukam ka bam de ka ne nga tharai ka de kata ka jing ulapan ram. Kumta ulaong bakalong ka bakong san ban penya ya ka ne ka benta ha ka lenti ka badai. Chief Minister ulapan te bahatayo baladam uladon ka jingalang bat usimbut menteri rangba ubakmi ya ka kampo ieng polis ubak Preston Tensong Chief Secretary ba DP Walang bat ka Director General of Police kong Ida Shisha Nongrang ha ka ba kalabat ha ya ka tanat pulit bakan penkre ya ka SOP ban pensyai mano bala bat mano bamla ban pyndonkam siren ta yit yong bat pendat ya ki lait ki ba penthaba ha ki kali. Hadian balada penkre ngin sa pentre kam tikna ya ka SOP kenthop ya ki kendon ki bahapan bot haba pyndonkam ya ki siren ki lait ba penthaba bat ki wei pat ki jatiar ong Chief Minister. Chief Minister ula ong ru bayakan ka SOP an sa wanrah ha ka jingalang ka kinhun menteri ha ka tayo banwan. Ngin sa wanrah ya ka SOP ka ba perking bat ba mano ki bala ban pyndonkam siren ta yit yong bat pendat ya ki lait penthaba ha ki kali hangno kila ban pyndonkam bat kumno ki de ban pyndonkam. Henry ulaong bakakam ka bayade baka jingshan baka jinga daru kade ka mat ka basngo ki hashibon. Kidon ki kendon ki badan kam ban hapan bot na kabenta ki tu ki he ki han ki bahap hai ki kardan ba pher kum ki Z plus Z bat Y bat kini ki de ki kendon ki bala batai benia bat ya ki bamla banyapen. Kini ki benta ki de badan kam ban hapan biang tarajor. Kumbang ngala kadau dak babu ya ka jingshan bat jingada ni haban kami ru ban pentikna ba omde ban pyndonkam bakla hakata ka rukam kaban long ka jing pendik ya ki pat ba. Kajing penya biang ya kini ke arbenta kalong ke badan kam ong Chief Minister. Ni kermen baling ba kani ke SOP ka bansa mission bat ka bansa yo jing menjor ja ka kinhun menteri ni deban la ban penduna ya ki jing pendik ya ki pat ba benrap shushu Chief Minister.
Yes, I have been receiving a large number of complaints and concerns by citizens about what people are calling VIP culture. It is, of course, a matter of concern, but we also have to look at it from multiple angles. There is a concern for security and safety, which should not be mixed with the aspect of culture as such. But safety and security is one aspect, which is something that we personally feel is important, should not be compromised. But if that particular safety and security concern becomes more of a attitude and it is used in a wrong way, then I think that is what really is the problem. Therefore, it is important for us to regulate it in the right way. And just last week, we had a meeting with the Deputy Chief Minister in charge home and all the other officials, the DGP, the Chief Secretary, and we have asked the police department to prepare an SOP as to who can use sirens and who cannot, and who can have tinted glasses and who cannot, and at the same time the flickering lights, who can put and who cannot, and very strictly implement those provisions and ensure that the protocols that need to be followed while using the siren and the lights and other devices should be very strictly implemented and done as per the SOP. So therefore steps are being taken. By next week we will be bringing that to the cabinet and we will be creating a very strict SOP as to who can and who cannot use these different sirens or glasses, tinted glasses, or flickering lights, and where and when it can be used and how it should be used. But again, as I said, the matter of also security and safety also is a concern. There are protocols that need to be followed for Z plus category, Z category, Y category, and these are defined protocols which again cannot be compromised. So therefore, those aspects need to be balanced, and as I mentioned, keeping the safety and security matter in front of us. We will work towards ensuring that this safety and security is not again abused in a manner in which it becomes a nuisance to the public. So the balancing of these two is what is required, and we hope that through this SOP that will be coming out very soon, which we will be passing in the cabinet, we should be able to minimize the inconvenience caused to the people.